Hamlarken, aşkarken, أذكمي كذاغلي حوذرغكن ومناغكن ثارق الظهري ذي لغي حملغكن عشقغكن أذكمي كذاغلي I called your name into the silence, spoke to the wind, to the distance. Under the moon I walked alone, with a restless heart made of stone. I smiled while hiding all the pain. Fire was running through my veins. I stayed quiet to protect the fragile love I still respect. Why did I cry in the dark of night? Why did I fight without a lie? Every step, every road was leading back to your soul. Watched my reflection fade away, searching for strength to face the day. Lost inside unspoken words, every silence deeply hurt. I carried storms inside my soul, but you were always my only road. Forgive me if I stayed too quiet. Years made my heart try to deny it, but never did I stop holding your love above it all. Oh, you're still inside my heart.